Hello guys, if you've got an ML320, ML w163 chassis 98 to 2005, ML450, 350, and ML500, this concerns you. If you ever put your key into contact level accessory 2, and then you have start error here where you have the kilometers, the miles, please don't panic. This is for you. I've just resolved the problem, but I'm going to share my experience with you all. Yeah, it will show start error. There are a couple of things that happen. Now we have to first of all go to the fuse box. This is the fuse box, and this is the relay that controls that starter. So you just need to swap it with another relay and see if it works. Then a more electric check will be the fuses. You check the fuses to see if some fuses are blown, and you have to look at the fuses, some fuses here, and see if they are blown. 15 amperes in that, and just make sure everything is fine here. If there's no blown fuse, then don't panic. Let me show you what happened to me. Well, it's crazy how much people stress on the all activity module, but I'm not going to go too far with the all activity module. Inside this key there is a transponder chip, a tiny black stuff. It's black, it's tiny, it's fitted at the angle here, and when you're closer to the ignition switch, there's a proximity sensor that picks it up, and when you turn it, the key, it creates the codes to start the car, and that's coordinated by the all activity module. So what happens is this key is worn out. That's just simple, it's worn out. Look at that. And that chip can shake inside here if it's so worn out, and the key falls from time to time. So that's it, it's worn out. I have to tighten this up, I have to replace this. And what happened to me is the start error would appear because that chip had shook just a bit.